It is sunny. It is sunny. It is windy. It is windy. It is snowy. It is snowy. It is rainy. It is rainy. It is cloudy. It is cloudy. It is stormy. It is stormy. It is foggy. It is foggy. It is hailing. It is hailing. There is lightning. There is lightning. Practice English daily and learn with smile.
Big, small,
Big, small,
tall, short,
tall, short,
up, down.
up, down.
This is a fish.
This is a fish.
This is a shark.
This is a shark.
This is a whale.